we are looking at how to pronounce the name of the city located in Ontario, Canada. We're going to be looking at how to say more interesting names of famous places around the country of Canada as well. So make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Sault. Yes, this word S-A-U-L-T is actually to be pronounced Sault. So you can ignore the L and the T altogether. Sault Ste Marie. Sault Ste Marie. Pretty straightforward once you know Sault Ste Marie. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce the names of famous cities and famous places whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.